Good afternoon, welcome back. So today we're gonna, redo the electric on the pole here. So let me flip the camera so you can see. So the old electric is this pipe here, the old one. The new one, I kind of looped it underneath, and we're gonna come up. So we're gonna rip off this box up here and redo all that. So this light up here hasn't worked in quite a while. I mean, it probably would, but the bulb keeps blowing. I'm gonna remove that light and install a new fixture in its place. Um, so basically, to get started with all this, unplug that. Um, and we're going to be doing electrical work, so we're going to turn off the electric. But just to show you how this works. You see the little light? Probably not. But that means the circuit's alive, the light. So we're going to turn off the breaker and then test this again. And then we'll start taking all this apart and finish the new pipe and see where we end up. So all we gotta do is find the breaker and turn it off. Alright, so now the breaker's off. This back in here. And there's no light now. Alright, so we need some screwdrivers and some glue, PVC. We need our clamps. So go get some tools and start ripping stuff apart. There's 4 Phillips screws to take this off. Voltmeter, set it to volts AC. Just triple check the voltage here. Put that there to hold it. So it says 0.1 without anything on there. Just the hot and neutral. It says 1 volt AC. Which is kind of weird. It's not 120 volts, so 0.7 on there. So yeah. So we'll continue taking this apart. Back to time lapse. Plan is right now the 2-inch pipe just goes down and ends right there. So we're gonna feed the wire up through the 2-inch pipe into the box and then into the little loop-de-loop and up, and we'll mount a new junction box. So I guess right now we'll reroute this wire. I got a fish because the wire won't go through. So I'm just gonna put a little hook on here. Okay, we got our hook on the fish. Okay. Alright, so we got the fish through the pipe. Bend one of these back. And hope that's good enough to get it through. Alright, let's see what the odds are of getting us through the horseshoe, we'll call it. Alright, so I can't get the wire through by just pushing it, so I'm gonna put the upright pipe on, screw everything in place, and put a pull string in there so we can pull this wire through because it's not going on its own. Pull string it on. Alright, so another roadblock. So the wire is like tight and it's not quite sticking out the end enough to do anything with. Alright, so we're running out of daylight, so I think we're just gonna clean this up for today and figure out next steps tomorrow. So, time lapse cleanup.